Hello, language and life living friends, and welcome to Creative Teaching and Learning Ideas with Patrick and Gable. I'm Patrick, and this fine furry gentleman is Master Gable. And today, we would like to invite you to my 3 talks at this year's International TESOL Convention held in sunny Tampa, Florida. So, let's get started. My first presentation is called The Powerful Impact of Critical and Creative Reading on English Language Learners. And this is going to be held on Thursday, March 21st at 12 p.m. It's a great workshop that's going to look at 2 things. One, how to help students read critically, but also how to help them read creatively and embody what they read, make it their own, and play with the ideas. So it's going to be a fantastic workshop. And the second talk is kind of a wacky one. It's called The Key to Vocabulary Success, Pop Quizzes. Are you bonkers? Okay. And basically I'm showing how, although you might not believe this, pop quizzes really are the key to vocabulary success. So what I'm going to be doing is showing how I've devised and developed 8 different kinds of pop quizzes that are based on different discoveries in neuroscience that really help students learn the vocabulary at a high level, maintain the understanding of the terms, and use them both fluently and as naturally as possible. And this talk, by the way, is going to be on Friday, March 22nd at 9 a.m. So be there early, wide-eyed, and bushy-tailed for some exciting insights. And the third talk is called Overcoming Burnout, Revitalizing Your Career with Personal and Professional Development. Okay, we all know that teacher burnout is a terrible phenomenon that happens all too frequently. So this talk is really going to focus on 3 things for personal development, which is mindfulness, yoga, and meditation. And then part 2, I'm going to look at some really neat professional development ideas that will hopefully get teachers excited once again about entering the classroom and both learning and teaching. This talk is going to be on Saturday, March 23rd at 8 a.m. in the morning. So it's an early one, but well worth it. We hope to see you there. So those are the 3 talks that I'll be giving at TESOL this year. 1 on reading, 1 on pop quizzes, and 1 on helping teachers to avoid burnout. If you can't make any of those talks, please email Master Gable here, and he'll send off a copy of the PowerPoint for you. We hope to see you there, and hope you have a wonderful TESOL experience. Take care, enjoy, and hope to see you soon. Oh yes, and Little Bubbles wanted to say, see you later as well. Bye-bye.